everyone. I would like to thank Prabodh Master, Malika ji and Jayanti for making this happen, that I could finish my Gudakesha program. Thank you for everything. I'm really very beginner to meditation. Now that I could sit for hours, this is really possible, and I see one of the powerful technique is 1 minute meditation that attracted me, and I'm doing it throughout the day whenever I could. That is really powerful. Thank you very much. And there are a lot of other benefits from the program, like my productivity, energy levels in the gym throughout the day, and even time management as well. It's really good, and I'm really sensible towards anything around me. I'm not getting anger so easily like before, and I'm very settled, calm, and I'm just enjoying the whole day. So I definitely recommend this program, and at least you could sleep in a sitting position.